Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And this video for today, I was thinking I could be giving you hopefully another idea for painting bookmarks. And for today I will be using this Clairefontaine Fontaine watercolor paper. It is 300 GSM and 140 pounds. I also divided this one into half because it's quite large, so it's 20 by 20 centimeters or 8 by 8 inches, and this one is a cold press watercolor paper, 100% cotton. Also, I will be using watercolors that I made myself and also some watercolors from Etchr. And this ink pens, those are ink pens from Etchr, and this one is 0.1. One a little bit larger and one a little bit smaller round brush and a liner brush. And that's basically all. Now we can get started. I am starting off with picking some green, and I will be using green, yellow, violet and blue colors, and also a little bit of the pink. So those are the colors you will be needing, and of course a little bit of very dark brown color. And I'm starting with painting a circle, and just on one side, on the left side, I'm adding the pigment that I picked up from my palette, then rinsing my brush into clean water and then smudging it also on the other side to make one side darker and the other side lighter. And then with a pointy tip, this is a script brush. I am using it as a script brush from Lebenzon paintbrushes. I will put the link down in the description box. I'm doing the line going downwards, adding a little bit of darker brown at the top of that line, and then afterwards just picking up some salt and adding it. This is a regular table salt. I'm adding it in the center of my circle to make those blooms and look like maybe some flowers and some centers of the flowers. So as I said, on the left side, adding the pigment, then picking up clean water, smudging it also on the right side with this thin liner brush, adding in the line going downwards. You can see I've tilted my paper also to help the paint bleed slightly downwards, adding that black dot at the bottom and some salt for the center of the circle. Now I am adding sprinkles of green, and a lot of those, and also in a violet color, a couple of sprinkles in a violet, couple of sprinkles in a pink color. And now with this brush, I'm just going downwards on that green and smudging that paint with the tip of my brush. I'm just tapping in to make it look like it is some grasses there. Now I left it to dry completely. It has to be fully dried, and I'm picking up the salt. You can do that. You can rub it off with excess salt. You can rub it off with your fingers, but I'm using this cardboard to just remove the excess salt because I don't like to add the grease from my fingers on my paper. So that is the reason I used, for this time, I used a cardboard. And now with this ink pen, I'm adding in the circles, and I'm not even trying to stay within the circles that I've painted, but I'm just going all the way outside also to make it a little bit more looser and a little bit more fun. When finished with that, I will be adding a couple of foliage, some leaves, branches with leaves, connecting those also to the branch, and just throughout my painting. You can basically add any doodles you like, any leaves you like, leaves shapes, maybe also drew in a couple of flowers there. That is basically now something that you can do however you like it. And as I said, add your own doodles. You don't have to do the same doodles as I am doing. Also, I'm just adding the centers of my flowers, of those circles, tapping in the dots for the center, just making it a little bit more fun and interesting, and also drawing some leaves, little small leaves on those stems. Now sprinkling again a little bit of yellow, a little bit of violet, a little bit of pink, green, every color that I used in my painting. I've added a little bit of the sprinkles just to make it a little bit more fun and spring-like. And I left it all to dry completely, and now I will be cutting off the bookmarks. And as I said, it's 20 by 20 centimeters or 8 by 8 inches. I've divided it into 3 parts, and now just cutting 3 bookmarks. I didn't even try when I was painting. I didn't try to think where the lines are gonna be. I just painted in, and how at the end it looks. And I really do like it how it at the end turned out. I hope you like it too. This is very, very simple and fun, perfect bookmarks to give someone this spring. One more thing, I decided to add at the end some borders, and I've picked up a little bit of yellow and mix it in with the green, and just adding the borders with the tip of my brush, going on the borders of my bookmarks, just to add, I don't know, maybe a little bit more of the interest. It's definitely something you don't have to do, but if you wanted that finished look with those borders, that is very, very simple to do. So if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That would really mean a lot to me. Maybe consider joining my channel. That's the join next to the subscribe. And again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate that, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!